English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 24.
Hi, I have arrived in London. My plane landed 5 minutes ago. I have visited California every summer since I was 18. Olivia has gone on a trip to Egypt.
We have left and are on our way to the airport. They have set off on the Pilgrim's Way walk to Santiago de Compostela. He hasn't finished cycling through Europe. They have gone on a cruise to the Caribbean. She has visited her family in Cuba every year since 2004.
Olivia has gone to Egypt on vacation. Olivia went to Egypt last week.
I have cycled in Holland several times. Annie went to Kenya last winter. Uma has visited Cuba every year since 2011. I flew to Spain for a vacation last month. Liam has gone on a bus tour of Ireland. Nada studied Tai Chi in China last year. Andrew has gone to Australia. They have reached the North Pole.
Hello, Trina. I haven't seen you for ages.
Hi, Jodie. I've been out of the country. In fact, I just got home this morning.
Where have you been?
Well, you know I've done a road trip every year since 2012.
Yeah?
This time, I decided to do something different. I cycled through France and Spain to the Sierra Nevada. I've spent a month there. The views are amazing. And guess what?
What?
I've learnt how to hang glide. So now we can do that together.
Great! Have you got all the equipment?
No, I haven't bought it yet. I couldn't have carried it all home on the back of my bicycle.
I suppose not. Have you learned any more exciting skills?
Yes, I have. I've learnt to scuba dive. I did a course when I was in Egypt.
Did you cycle all the way to Egypt?
No, I caught a plane from Madrid.
Sounds like a fantastic trip.
We've stayed in Kerala many times. Amir's walked across the Great Divide in America. They've camped every year since they were children. We've landed in Buenos Aires. The vacation begins. Marita's gone to New Zealand on vacation. Simon's cycled from Paris to Berlin.
No dessert for me. I ate too much.
No dessert for me. I've eaten too much.
I can't find my passport. Did you see it?
I can't find my passport. Have you seen it?
Did you see the Statue of Liberty? I ate so much pizza when I was in Italy. They received our postcard yesterday. Didn't you arrive here on Friday? Did you go to Finland this year? She found her passport on Tuesday. Did he write this travel guide book? We taught English in Peru last summer. Did they cycle all the way to Spain? Did you hike to the top of that mountain?
I told you about my vacation. Did you visit Peru? Did you finish your packing yet? We had a wonderful time at the beach. I love Spain. Did you go there before? Are you hungry again? Didn't you just eat? I just saw an amazing opera in Rome.
End of lesson 24.